Hello, I'm Keshav, and I help global manufacturers move beyond static reports and start planning with precision by using embedded AI tools that deliver clarity where it matters most. In manufacturing, demand forecasting isn't just routine, it's a company's operational heartbeat. Too much inventory locks up capital. Too little, and you miss delivery windows, delay orders, or rush production at the wrong time. You need to be able to see what's coming next and to trust the data that you are seeing. That's where AI-powered demand forecasting comes into play. Across the industry, manufacturers are facing more volatility than ever, shifting demand, disrupting supply chains, changing tariffs, and tighter lead times. Traditional forecasting methods just aren't built to keep up. Static spreadsheets and one-size-fits-all ERP reports often fail to flag early changes or give planners a reliable signal. You don't just need data, you need actionable insight. That's why we built an AI-driven demand forecasting engine that goes beyond historical averages and gut feel. It delivers forecast accuracy that you can plan against, down to the SKU level, in real time. Our demand forecasting engine uses time series analysis, product-level history, and machine learning algorithms to generate dynamic, forward-looking forecasts directly inside your existing ERP. Our clients have cut planning cycles from hours to minutes, reduced excess inventory and overproduction by double-digit percentages, and made smarter allocation decisions that protect working capital without sacrificing fulfillment rates. And this isn't a long-haul ERP project. We deliver fast with minimal ramp-up, measurable outcomes, and full visibility right from the start. If your team is still forecasting manually or operating with more guesswork than confidence, it's time to rethink what planning looks like. With Crowe, your planning can be one step ahead of the curve. Feel free to schedule time with our team or visit our AI transformation homepage to see how Crowe AI tools can help your business move faster, plan smarter, and cut costs.